अंबानी ने वो डलवा दिया था, सॉल्ट डलवा दिया था बादलों में, जो दुबई वाली बारिश होती है वो करवाई है।
हमने लिटरली रोड पे खड़े रह के मैच देखा है।
मुंबई और दीपक चहर एक नो बॉल से हार गई।
It was insane. I did not expect Gujarat to win. I was like, oh, they're gonna lose.
दूसरी बारिश में पता नहीं दीपक चहर को क्या हो गया, नो बॉल पे नो बॉल डाल रहा था।
It's just pretty sad. I was supporting Mumbai. Lost the money too.
I have my flag right here. I was supporting Mumbai Indians.
Really disappointed to see that Hardik Pandya bowled 2 to 3 no balls.
You can't bowl a no ball when you're defending 15 runs in the last over.
हम लास्ट बॉल तक थे तब भी वहाँ पर हमने सोचा कि अब कुछ होगा, अब होगा।
आज अंबानी खुद को डाउन टू अर्थ ऐसा दिखाने का कोशिश कर रहा था, इसलिए
कि हम भी मैच हारते हैं, लाइक सारे
हारते ऐसा।
The rain did favor Mumbai a bit, but still GT did very well.
The game changer was when Hardik got the ball and Surya is right there on the stumps. You throw it directly to Surya in the hands and take the stump out. We have won the game. At least it would have gone down to super over.
One word Hardik was overconfidence. He should sit on the duck right now. Next match उसको लेने नहीं चाहिए टीम में।
अगर बारिश ना थोड़ी और देर तक हो जाती ना तो फिर
ऑटोमेटिक जीतते थे यार, खत्म होती थी और थोड़ी देर रहना था उस बारिश को।
वो एकदम ऐसे स्टार्ट हुई और 12:30 के बाद खत्म। 15 मिनट का जो उनका प्रिपरेशन का टाइम था ना, वो गुजरात ने एकदम ऐसा वापसी कर ली। they were like नहीं अभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, अभी तुमको फोड़ देंगे।
तो कैसा था यार मैच, और मैच खत्म होने के पहले आप लोग आ रहे हो?
मैच अच्छा था, अभी बारिश गिर गई, अभी और मैच होगा नहीं। मुंबई अच्छी खेली, बहुत अच्छा खेला।
टर्निंग पॉइंट कहाँ पे लगता है मैच का? बारिश टर्निंग पॉइंट।
उनका मोमेंटम ब्रेक हो गया।
मैच खत्म हुआ नहीं ना अभी तक?
नहीं यार, अभी तक डिक्लेयर नहीं हुआ।
हाँ तो यार तुम लोग पहले ही निकल रहे हो क्या?
तो अभी क्योंकि कट ऑफ टाइम होने वाला है ना।
अच्छा
12:20 कट ऑफ है, और मैं अभी बारिश अब जाके रुकी है, बट अभी कभी कहाँ रुकेगी, उसके बाद वो कवर्स हटाएंगे, उसके बाद मैच स्टार्ट होगा। तो मोस्टली तो अभी मुंबई जीत गई।
4 रन से जीत गई ना?
4 रन से कहाँ।
Bro, I think the match is not over yet, right? You are running away from the stadium.
Yeah, but I think I'll watch it on my TV or phone.
But what will you watch, bro? I think Mumbai Indians is easily gonna win it, right? They are ahead by 4 runs, and I think it's gonna get called off anytime soon.
You never know what happens.
You never know.
We would love to.
You ready? So guys, what a match, huh? Last over thriller, last ball thriller. And I mean बारिश ने कमबैक कराया और बारिश ने मैच हरा दिया।
Exactly. Definitely. I think it was very unpredictable. I regret leaving early because हमने literally road पे खड़े रह के मैच देखा है अभी ending का, but it was insane. I did not expect Gujarat to win. I was like, oh, they're gonna lose.
Yeah, and it's just pretty sad. I was supporting Mumbai, like,
Same.
and I lost the money too.
I have my flag right here. I was supporting Mumbai Indians.
Where do you think like Mumbai Indians made a comeback, or the turning point it was? Like you felt like, oh, this is MI's match.
When Bumrah took the wickets.
Oh,
Yep.
yeah, 100%.
Yeah, that was the best thing.
Yeah.
Okay, and what do you think about Mumbai Indians' future now moving ahead the next matches?
I feel like they will be doing crazy, but I really want RCB to win because of Kohli.
Fan.
Yeah, RCB is on the top. They should definitely win.
Yeah, and
They will.
East Cup naam de.
Sorry?
East Cup naam de.
Yeah. What is that?
This year is RCB's year. That means. Okay, thank you so much.
Of course, I support RCB, and I think RCB is gonna win this year for sure. He's a cup naam
I'm
de.
a fake fan. Yeah. I don't watch cricket.
Thank you so
I
much,
was
guys.
lying the whole interview. I placed a bet on Gujarat. I did not support Mumbai.
No.
I just do things for the clout.
रोलर कोस्टर मैच एट द एंड, लास्ट बॉल पे मुंबई इंडियंस हारी मैच। क्या लगता है कहाँ पे हारी मैच?
मुंबई और दीपक चहर एक नो बॉल से हार गई।
Not been played after that 12:25 time, but nonetheless, it's the umpires who's taking the final call.
I mean the rain made the comeback,
The rain
right?
made the comeback.
And then rain made you lose.
Absolutely, but it's fine. It's a part of game. The 6 was really very hard hit, so I think that ball was really nice.
और ट्रॉफी लेगी इस साल?
नहीं
लेगी। कौन लेगा फिर ट्रॉफी?
RCB.
You are a RCB fan, right?
I'm a CSK fan.
You are a CSK fan. You want RCB to win the trophy, and you are wearing a MI jersey.
Yes, I
Best
know.
combination, bro. Best.
Yes, I know.
Well, I think the last over was pretty fantastic, and the very first ball when the batsman hit 4, and on the next ball he hit the 6.
Yeah.
I think the match turned on that second ball.
Yeah. And
It
what
was the
about
turning
those 4 overs of Bumrah and Bolt together?
Fantastic. Indeed, Bumrah is a fantastic bowler.
बहुत फनी था यार, MI CSK RCB तीनों का कॉम्बिनेशन। अभी देखते हैं तुम कितने फनी को देखते हैं। यू ना काम Yeah, join. Okay, we got a GT fan here and MI fan.
Yes.
Okay, GT fan and MI fan together. First, let's ask GT fan. Yeah, like how was the experience? The last ball thriller.
It was great. I didn't think that we could win, but because of the last over and Rahul Tewatia, we won and the no ball.
Before the rain, it was MI's game, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
before the first rain, it was again GT's game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it kept changing according to the weather.
And now, where do you think like GT is at the top of the points table? So where do you think GT is gonna finish this season?
At first. And they'll qualify, definitely, and play the
I think
finals.
they are qualified now itself.
They'll play the finals for sure.
Finals, sure. And they're gonna win the trophy.
Yes, second time.
Okay, let's go on. What do you think about Ashish Nehra, Nariyal Pani supremacy?
He's amazing. I think the thing that he's active in the court field the whole time is just great.
नारियल पानी सुप्रीमेसी कार में मैं ये कहूँगा कि उनका जो 6 में 15 था वो 12 में 24 से ऑफकोर्स टफ था, और बारिश में जो अटैकिंग इंटेंट उन्होंने दिखाया, मैं देखा वो 4 में 10 चीज़ें, तब जेरोल्ड कॉजी ने ना जब जो 6 मारा था वहाँ पर ही उनने 2-3 स्विंग किए थे, तो मैंने वो देखा कि वो उधर ही उनने शॉट मारा, और दीपक चहर को अपना लाइन और लेंथ थोड़ा और सुधारना चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से। वो अभी भी इतने उनकी लेगेसी इतनी ग्रेट नहीं है कि वो उनको है ना बुमराह बोल से कंपेयर कर सके।
Amazing. Who did you enjoy the most? Who are you supporting? You're supporting MI.
Hey?
You're supporting MI, right?
Yep.
Yeah, last ball thriller game, right? You guys want to join? You can join.
How are you?
Where are you from?
South Africa.
South Africa.
South Africa.
Oh, everyone's from South Africa?
Yeah.
Okay. And you enjoyed Coexist 6 today, Gerald Coexist.
Gerald Coetzee, yeah, and Rabada's coming back. Rabada's coming back next game.
Next game, he's coming back?
Yeah. He was warming up. You didn't see him warming up?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're looking forward to it. But Coetzee actually won the game, I think, in that last over.
And where do you think MI lost the game?
In the rain.
In the rain.
The rain.
Yeah.
The first rain or the second rain?
Second rain.
Putting MI.
No, GT.
Oh man,
I am from
GT.
Gujarat.
You're
Yes.
from Gujarat.
Yes, it was my first time in Wankhede. So the experience was pretty good. And yeah, at last it was a thrilling match, and GT won, so I am happy.
Really disappointed to see that Hardik Pandya bowled 2 to 3 no balls. It was really like easy cakewalk for Mumbai Indians, but I really feel like they should have played more, executed the plans as better, and I feel like Mumbai Indians could have easily qualified. Really disappointed for us as the bowling figures for Hardik Pandya.
There should have been more game awareness. You can't bowl a no ball when you're defending 15 in the last over. And the last ball, Hardik Pandya's throw should have been on a slower pace towards Surya. He could have easily got the wicket, run out.
He was halfway the track, right?
Yeah, that's what. That was an easy wicket for us.
And I feel like if you are like defending a score below 160, you should know where are your plans, you should know how to execute plans, etc. etc. So they should have bowled really much better actually.
I feel like the game changer was when Hardik got the ball and Surya is right there on the stumps. You throw it directly to Surya in the hands and take the stump out. We have won the game. At least it would have gone down to super over. Super over, at least you had a chance. First of all, he shouldn't have bowled a no ball in the last over.
Yeah, give us 6, give us 4.
In one word, Hardik was overconfidence. He should sit on the duck right now. Next match उसको लेने नहीं चाहिए टीम में.
Okay guys, thank you so much.
Hard luck. Hopefully we will make a comeback.
Let's go. I think I've seen you somewhere, bro.
I don't know. Maybe I've seen you.
Where are you guys from?
So I'm from the UK. You're from Germany. UK as well.
Oh, okay. So you guys are from UK and you're from Germany,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So you watch cricket in Germany?
I know, it was my first ever cricket match. I know nothing about the sport.
Oh.
I got the rules explained yesterday, so I understand something. But yeah, it's a fun game.
I can speak something in German, like Guten Tag.
Guten Tag, wie geht's dir?
What are you saying? You guys follow cricket, right, in UK?
Yeah, I mean, I follow it a little bit.
Who's your favorite cricketer?
Josh Butler.
Josh Butler.
Oh.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and tell me something about today's game, your experience.
Well, it was amazing, wasn't it? I mean, it went down to the last ball, so that was pretty cool.
Really enjoyed it.
Because that doesn't really, not that I know cricket a lot, but that doesn't happen a lot.
Yeah.
No,
Weird.
so yeah, I mean, it was
Especially with the rain coming in 2 times.
Yeah, especially. Yeah. I mean, we didn't think they were going to have a chance, but then like that, when they restarted and they hit that 6, we were like, woo! we were stood up for the rest of it. We were buzzing, but yeah, it was an amazing experience.
So like, who are you supporting for today?
RCB. But today we were trying to support Mumbai.
You're supporting Mumbai?
Yeah.
You want to see Mumbai versus RCB in the finals?
Anyone, as long as RCB is in the finals.
Okay. So tell me about today's game. Where do you think was the turning point of the match?
The rain.
The rain. The first rain or second rain?
I mean, we all thought that the game was over, right? They needed 28 of 2 overs. So that's when we thought the game was over, because we thought that the time was over and then there was nothing going to happen. And then they had to come back for 1 over. Then the last over, 15 runs, I think they just gave away too much.
And the last ball run out. The last
I mean, that should have been a run out. Could have been a super over.
So can you join? Okay, tell me, what was the turning point of the match today?
The turning point would be the Bumrah's over. He bowled really well, and I think he brought Mumbai into the match.
And what about the rain?
Rain, I think the rain was also the game changer. First game changer would be the rain, and then would be Bumrah, because that rain break helped Mumbai to come back into the game, because they could recalibrate what they were doing wrong and where they can go more properly. So I think they did well in the rain, after the rain break.
And who are you supporting in this match?
Gujarat.
That's a proper CSK fan, right? Supporting GT, whoever is playing against MI, they'll support them. Right?
Because they are arch rivals, if you would say, Mumbai and CSK. So that's the reason she was supporting, and plus she's a fan of Shubman Gill.
Oh, I think she must be really happy today watching Shubman Gill.
Yeah, she was very humiliated while Shubman Gill got out, because that was a crunch situation when he got out. So she was very unhappy that how Shubman Gill could get out. He could have finished the game. But ultimately she was very happy that GT won.
Insane, especially in the end. It was nail biting. It was insane. It came down to 2 balls, 1 run, and we really hoped Mumbai won, but well, it's okay.
Tell me, you were supporting MI, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I was supporting GT.
Okay.
MI, yes.
I was supporting GT.
Okay, and you guys are supporting?
MI.
We are all supporting.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, come.
Only GT. No room for GT fans.
Yeah, I am asking you. Yeah. So we got 3 MI fans here. We got 3 MI fans and 1 GT fan in between. And
you are supporting GT? Of course.
He was, and
I
then
guess
he
you are
started realizing that MI is winning.
No,
But there is one honest, real Mumbai fan. Yes.
GT is the best team because the way they chased it down, and after the biasness it was done to them, like 2 overs 24 needed and then 1 over 15, it was pure biasness to them, but they came back strong and they won it, and it was just a show of like pure masterclass to the team.
And you guys have Nariyal Pani, right? Nariyal Pani supremacy. He's the one who controls everything. Ashish Nehra.
Ashish Nehra is just awesome. I love him.
Yeah. Okay, tell me, the first rain made Mumbai Indians come back in the match, and the second rain made them lose. So yeah, so on that.
We thought that rain is favoring Mumbai, but GT outplayed rain.
यार अभी देखो लोग बोलते कि अंपायर्स की वजह से मुंबई जीतती है. अभी यहाँ पे
तो सब बोलते हैं.
यहाँ पे बारिश की वजह से कमबैक हो गया था.
That is not true. Umpire का कोई लेना देना नहीं था इसमें बिल्कुल भी. But I will say that Mumbai did favor. The rain did favor Mumbai a bit, but still GT did very well.
May the best team win, and Gujarat played the best.
But
They did.
Rohit Sharma is my favorite player, and he will be my favorite player no matter what he performs or not. Rohit Sharma best. Mumbai चा राजा रोहित शर्मा.
सबको ही तो नहीं आ पाएंगे.
हाँ ठीक है हम लोग हैं. भाई I think you guys are MI fans.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what a roller coaster match. मतलब पहले बारिश में कमबैक हो गया. दूसरे मैच में MI बाहर.
कमबैक हो गया.
थोड़ा दर्द हुआ, दुख हुआ. हम लास्ट बॉल तक थे तब भी वहाँ पर. हमने सोचा कि अब कुछ होगा, अब होगा. हमने जो चीज़ें सोची थी ना वो सारी हुई. हमने बुमराह का वो स्टंप आउट का बोलिंग देखा, बोल्ड किया देखा, मजा आया.
कैच देखा.
मैं चाहती थी ऐसा सूर्य कुमार यादव को भी कैच करते देखना, बट वो नहीं हुआ. बट लास्ट में कैच हुआ, अच्छा लगा. बट यार लास्ट बॉल पे आते आते हम हार गए, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगा.
अभी देखो कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि MI अंपायर्स की वजह से जीतता है. अभी इस मैच में बारिश हुई तो
सारा गेम खराब हो गया. अगर बारिश ना थोड़ी और देर तक हो जाती ना तो फिर
ऑटोमेटिक जीतते थे यार. खत्म होती थी और थोड़ी देर रहना था उस बारिश को.
फर्स्ट और सेकंड बारिश एक ही होनी चाहिए थी, राइट?
करेक्ट. वो एकदम ऐसे स्टार्ट हुई और 12:30 के बाद खत्म. वो 12:30 से पहले जो खत्म हुआ वो 15 मिनट का जो उनका प्रिपरेशन का टाइम था ना, वो गुजरात ने एकदम ऐसा वापसी कर ली. दे वर लाइक नहीं अभी नहीं छोड़ेंगे, अभी तुमको फोड़ देंगे.
guys, all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
बट हार गए तो इतना बैठे हम लोग इतना टाइम के लिए बस मुंबई इंडियंस को ही चीयर अप करने के लिए. बट ठीक था, जो भी था वो अच्छा ही था. और हम लोग स्पेशली लॉरेट न्यूटन के थ्रू ही आए. सो अच्छा था एक्सपीरियंस.
पहले बारिश में MI का कमबैक हो गया, दूसरे बारिश में एमआई बाहर होगी.
यस 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 पूरा 3 बार हुआ बारिश, तीनों टाइम सेम होप्स लेके बैठे थे. इतना हुआ है तो अभी तो जीत ही जाएंगे. बट ठीक है, जो हुआ अच्छा था. हैप्पी हम लोग तो वी आर वेरी मतलब बोलते कनेक्टेड है मुंबई इंडियंस से, तो हैप्पी है.
All the best for the next matches. Thank you so much.